Alrighty, welcome back, boys and girls. It's your main math man, Mr. Shank, coming to you live from Mayfield. And in this video, we're going to be making a box and whisker plot from these values. So again, our first thing that you need to do, you need to make sure that you can order them from least to greatest first. So, try to find that min, try to find that max. So we can put our values in order. So we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10. So now that they're in order from least to greatest, we can find our median. So let's find our median. So again, we can just check off one at a time. In pairs, you should find that middle number. You want to get down to that very last one. So we know that 5 is going to be our median. So you can see that too because we have an equal number on both sides. So that's going to be our median for the entire set. So that's that Q2. So now that it's split into the upper half on the right side and the lower half on the left side, we can find the median of those halves. So we can say, okay, well, obviously in the middle is 3, so that's going to be our Q1. And then 8 is going to be our Q3. So we have our quartiles. And then we have our min, or our lower extreme, and we have our max of 10, or our upper extreme. Alright, so now all you have to do is draw a vertical line above that value for our quartiles. So we can say, alright, we have our Q1 is going to be above 3, our Q2 is going to be above 5, our Q3 is going to be above 8. We have our max and min, so we just put our dots on those values. So we have 2, and we had our 10. Last thing that you have to do for this, make sure you can box in those quartiles. So we have our main part of the box plot is that interquartile range. Again, that's that Q1 minus that Q3. So we have, again, that's our main part in there, and we just have our whiskers, which is just the very ends of our set. Again, being able to draw this is super simple as long as you can label your values carefully. Again, make sure you can see and practice these examples for yourself. Make sure you can see the other examples as well. Again, I can say that's the min, Q1, Q2. Again, I can have these labels in here. That way I am positive on what they are. And again, the other labels that go with it, you have your lower extreme is your min, your lower quartile is your Q1, your median for the entire set is Q2, the upper quartile is Q3, and your upper extreme is your max. Be sure to label those carefully, and super slam that subscribe button.